All right, potential shift here. Getting started on a Monday, January 5th. All right, so SPY is at 687.0, about 9:30. So that's where we're starting the day. Yeah, I don't have any positions on. 687.0 is where we're at. I want to see how this morning shakes out before I do anything. All right, 10 a.m. SPY is still at 687. Yeah. Not a whole lot to trade here. Waiting for a move. Some sort of move. That'd be good. All right. All right. Really hunting for a good place to get long here. We're at 688, almost exactly. If we break above 688, I'd like to get long and try and ride it to 690. All right. Pretty simple, straightforward play. Singles and doubles. Yeah. I think if we break above 688, we can make a run to 690 in relatively short order. So that's my play here. Like I said, it's not a home run. It's not trying to knock the ball out of the park. Just a nice, solid breakout play. All right. Bought a couple of contracts. Right around 687.9. Looks like we're going to break out higher. I mean, we sort of already did, so. Now I got to set my outs. And we're breaking out higher. This is my upside out, which is right about SPY 690. Upside out up here, downside out down here, which is, let's see, 686.5. My downside out is really if we basically hit a daily low. I'm gone. I don't want any piece of that. But notice that I got in at 688, right? And I'm just trying to get to 690. That's all, you know? Not trying to ride this move till we hit 694 or even 692, which I think is a distinct possibility. Honestly, 691, 692, distinctly possible, but you can't get greedy, you know? It almost never works when you get greedy. Why is my profit loss not updating? Okay. Nasty little clawback here. Yeah. Really like the 688 level to hold here. That's basically my entry right here. The blue line is my entry. The purple line is where we're at. 688 is basically where I entered. I'd like that level to hold. Going to be a little discouraged if we break below that. But so be it. All right. It's 11:23 a.m. I really want to see a breakout higher here. I don't like that we're sitting around this level that we've touched 2 times before. Now we're touching it a 3rd time. I don't want to see us back off this level a 3rd time. That would kind of shake me a little bit, all right? Damn it. Flirting with this level again. Come on. You gotta break through it. And it's 11:30 right now. Really don't want to hit lunchtime, 12 o'clock with us in this band, this channel here. Come on! Give up. I'm going to give up this little middle area here in terms of profit. Not a small amount to lock in gains in case we don't want to break through this ceiling here, which I don't know why that ceiling has formed, but it has formed. And I don't want to mess with it too much. It's getting towards lunchtime, you know? Ceiling may just hold. So let's see if we can break that ceiling. Till then, I'll take the safer money. Yeah, so we got long one contract on a stop order. Really looking for a quick, short, fast move higher here. It's 11:48 a.m. I really don't want to be holding this into the lunchtime hour. So noon, I don't want. My out is close. It's only 50 cents away higher. Only looking to make about 25 bucks on this trade. But I think we can make a short, swift move higher, so. Gonna keep creeping up my losing out. Come on. No. Don't tell me we got it right there and we're gonna stop. No. No. Come on, go touch my out. Seriously? Exactly what I didn't want to see. I mean, that's like, what? One tick away from my out? Son of a bitch. Whatever. Whatever. Still made $4 on it. Yeah. Basically one tick away from the top there. Doesn't matter. All right. It is 11:55 a.m. SPY is at 689, almost exactly. So we're heading into the lunchtime hour, and I really have no opinion on a bias here, whether we're going to go up or down. Plus, it's going to be lunchtime. I think we're in for some, I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea which direction we're going to go in, and lunchtime's not a good time to trade. Generally, it's channel bound, so yeah. So I'm going to step away for a little bit. I don't see myself making a trade here unless something radical happens. Good luck, guys.